Okay, so hello and welcome back everyone. So today I have this which is wow. Okay. So I'm back. Now I have this which is a lipo, I mean not lipo, it's some random Li-on 850 milliamp battery. It's a 13450 battery, yeah, this thing. And I'm using this as a battery for this, which is a Samsung Digimax L60 pocket camera. So this I got for essentially free. Let me go take the box here so you can actually see the box. Okay, so here's the box. Let me go show you. Yeah. So in the box you actually get this stuff, which is a cable for this thing. I do not know why they sent a cable, but yeah, because you obviously have the option of an SD card. You have this battery, which I provided myself. Yeah. Then you have this, which is some digital camera bag, pretty cool I'd say. Then you have this, which is some international warranty certificate and some manual leaflet thingy. Okay, so let me go put all this stuff in, because I'm not gonna be needing all of this. All I need now is the camera, because why the heck would you need all this stuff for the camera? So let me go show you. Yeah. Let's close this box up. It's in pretty good nick actually, to be honest. Yeah, this thing. See, we've got the box. See. Okay, so let's push this thing on the floor, and let me go take this stuff out, which is the interesting bits. Let me go turn the camera over there and focus. Okay, let me go take a drink. Yeah. So, what the heck's on this tripod, man? Okay. Okay, so you might be wondering why the heck there's like this hole in the camera, yeah, essentially, and also two wires sticking out. Now why that is because I got this thing for essentially nothing, and this camera itself, yeah, with the box and everything, was cheaper to buy than the GST lead, which is this thing over here. Yeah. This thing costs 10 times more. I mean only this section, yeah, not these two, but only this one section of GST lead costs 10 times more than this camera itself. So you can probably see how expensive the GST lead is here, or how cheap the camera is. And this thing has no battery inside, because the batteries cost about 500 times as expensive as the camera itself. So I got this thing for 500 times, 500 times less than the battery that should come in here. So that's obviously something I did not want to do, and in the end I took some old GST leads that I got at home, yeah, which I bought quite a long time ago, and stuck them in here. So this thing does not have those 3 connections like the new cameras. This thing has like 3 pins, yeah, 3 copper pins, but only 2 of them actually go into the PCB, which is right behind this port right here. So in the end, what I did was I just soldered the things in and put some epoxy so it doesn't like float everywhere and cause a short. Cause this casing is also aluminium, yeah, so essentially when you drop it, you'll dent it, and if you put anything electronic, stick plus and minus onto the case, it will burn or melt. So I did not want to do that, and then I just drilled a hole right here, yeah? And here you go. So let me go show you the hole I drilled, yeah? This thing, I just drilled some over the hole, and this is how it came out. So see, just like that. And let me go tape this thing back. I use the tape to essentially cover the hole so nothing goes inside the camera itself, not because of anything else. My soldering is strong, and I do believe that my soldering is strong. So let me go power this thing on for you. Yeah? This thing also will not take anything over a 2GB SD card. I'm not sure if there's anything like in between 2 and 4, but if there is, I haven't tried that. So I've tried 4GB and up, they all didn't work, and I tried 2 and it did work. So I'm using this old SanDisk 2GB micro SD card because I do not have anything else. See, SanDisk, and put this thing in the vegan adapter right here, yeah, to plug into here. I have SanDisk 64GB class 10 U3 I think, 94 and 120 or 150 I think Mbps cards, but they all do not work. It only wants shitty cards, so shitty cameras go with shitty cards, yeah. And so yeah, let me go plug this thing in. First of all, you can see a dent right here, and also this rubber thing is gone, and everything here is like has like this paint fade thing here, which is I think to be expected from a camera this old. So let's go. Power this thing on. With these JSTs, sometimes you can actually reverse plug them, which is pretty shit, yeah. Because you know what reverse plugging does, yeah. So it fries everything inside. You have a broken camera. So I would advise against using these, but this was like the cheapest JST I have at home. I do not have anything smaller like 1.5 or 1.25 pitch, and so yeah, I'm using a 2.0 pitch. Okay, and how you actually use this is just put this in your finger like this, yeah, and just do this. That's how I hold it. So it doesn't look pretty, but at least it works, and this is still cheaper than I don't know, some serving of food or something like that. So let's go. Turn this thing on. See? It actually does turn on. This thing is from 2006, yeah, by the way, so it is quite old. And it does have a CCD sensor, which means that if you point it at some hugely bright light source, it will sort of like, what you call this thing? Have lines in the frame. Let me go show you if I can show you, yeah. See? It makes these lines, like on those older cameras, yeah. Which is to be expected. I didn't know about this issue, and I had this issue also with some older cameras of mine, yeah. Before I actually had these like fancy mirrorless cameras and stuff like that, I had one of those bridge cameras, which is honestly pretty shit, and yeah, so that's what they do. In this, nothing is pretty cool. Nothing is too what you call this, sophisticated. Nothing like what the box says. The box actually says, imagine sophistication, see? And I can't imagine anything with this. So this is, at least that's like this AF light, yeah, which comes up. See? Then everything works. So video works, zooming works, zoom onto my min to highmatic. Macro mode also works, sometimes at least. See? Wait. Oh, it doesn't, but it might work. See, it works this time, I think. Well, I'm not sure. Oh, what the fuck? Wait, what the heck did I just do? What the fuck? Okay, so let's bring it out of flash mode. So I will focus also on close subjects, but on close subjects you have to have like this macro button thing on it essentially. So yeah, lives up to its shitty cost by being shitty. It has these like menus, and I think nothing else. So all you have is just this sharp button, nothing else, yeah. Should bam. See? So it's essentially a camera with a zoom lens, 3x zoom I believe, f2.8 to f4.9, and that's pretty much it. So I'm pretty much running out of things to say because of how shit this thing is. 6 megapixel CCD, and yeah, here you go. So I'm gonna attach some photos in the end. This thing does quite well with black and white photos, but not color photos. If you want something color and cheap, this thing's not it, although this thing is pretty much nothing. Like I think this Q-tip costs more than this. Actually no, let me go pull this thing back. I think 5 Q-tips cost like the same as this. So yeah, that's pretty much how cheap it is. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you like it. So yeah, goodbye. I'm gonna put some photos up after this, yeah.